Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy grass coin on Phantom Wallet. So here's how you can simply go about this. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. So simply go ahead and search for the grass token on coinmarketcap.com. The link is in the description. Once you found the grass token, simply scroll through, and where you have its Solana contract address, which is just here towards the right hand side, copy this contract address. Once you've copied its Solana contract address, minimize and then go ahead and open up your Phantom wallet. So we'll be making use of the Phantom wallet for this transaction. Now, once you're in Phantom wallet, how can you buy the grass token? You can simply buy the grass token by converting your available Solana into the grass token. To do this, you must have some Solana to cover your transactions and to be able to swap into the grass token. How can you get Solana if you do not have? Where we have the buy icon on the dashboard, click on buy, select Solana, enter an amount of Solana you wish to purchase, and then where you have credit and debit card, click on the credit and debit card option and you find the list of providers you can get your Solana tokens with. Alright, so all you need to do now is click on buy, and you'd have bought Solana using your credit or debit card after entering your info. Alright guys, so once you're back at the dashboard, where we have the swap icon at the bottom of your screen, click on this swap. So it says you pay Fart coin, you receive Solana. Switch the places so it says you pay Solana, you receive Fart coin. And now in place of this Fart coin token, paste the grass contract address here. And then go ahead and click on grass. And now for $1 worth of Solana, you're going to be getting a good amount of the grass, which is 0.7. And then all you need to do now is simply click on swap. So we're making a direct swap using the Phantom wallet feature. And as you can see at the top of your screen, it says swapping Solana into grass. And boom, it's done. So if you were to head back to your dashboard, perform a simple reload, boom, you'd find your grass tokens on your wallet. So guys, that's how it goes. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.